Taking a picture of the weather. This is our weather for today. Okay.
And I don't think it's going to have to go much longer than 10 o'clock. Probably going to be able to cancel that around an hour or two early. So this is mainly an event for our West Coast for the next couple of hours and not for later tonight, Diane.
Yeah, this line is moving very quickly. In fact, the whole line about 50 miles per hour in each individual cell, northeast at about 45. So these cells are definitely going to increase the winds. And the cell that we're most concerned with right now, as we're seeing some indications of some rotation to it, or at least shear in it. So that means we can get some damaging winds. All day long, and the severe storms will just add to that. And how about these winds? These wind speeds have been sustained at over 30, and the wind gusts have been over 40 miles per hour. Now here's Mike with more.
Yeah, and those winds are strong enough, I think, to down some trees and maybe cause some power outages before that main